Right now we're checking out NMIXX Crescendo. Then we're gonna check out Heavy Serenade. I think that's how it's called. We could double check it. But first, I was recommended to check out Crescendo first. So let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Oh, it's different. Or like it's not. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Lily's voice. Are they angels or what are they? Oh, her nails are crazy. Oh, wait. Ooh, the pauses are nice. Ooh, chills. Deep and shallow. Oh, it's stale? Oh. Ooh, the harmonize. Oh, it's speeding up. Okay. Oh. Who worked on this beat? Oh, it's chaotic almost. Huh. Oh, okay. Wait, she's serving. Okay, Lily. Who they pulling? Oh, wow. Is he like trapped in there? Ooh, I like the little pauses though, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, this is pretty. The drumming is crazy too. Oh. Okay, Crescendo vibes, let's go. Bro, their production has been popping. Bro, they're one of the best like singers too. Wait, this came out so long ago. Yeah, I was busy moving at the time. But wow. Okay, you know what? Straight from this, we're going to go check out Heavy Serenade right now. I don't want it to stop. Let's just keep it going. All right, this is Heavy Serenade. I did say it right. Okay, cool. Ooh, what a nice drone shot. Oh, where's this? Why this remind me of Pocopia a little bit? You know, like getting scraps and stuff. Sorry, I'm gaming stuff, but she's organizing. It seems like, or like, and it's like a oh, is that a shell or a rock towards a satellite microphone? Oh, glass. Oh, what are we building? Can you hug me? Oh, the gas. It sounds very retro too, like old school. Ooh, okay, choreo. Wait, are they just building with trinkets that they're finding? No, it's like a satellite. Oh, for the record. Oh, that was cute. Ooh, where is this? This is in Korea, no? Are they creating like a huge like signal for their to play their like their mixtape? Ooh. Okay, they ate that. They ate that. Ooh. Be right. I like the pauses that they're using it, and then using the harmonies. Ooh. Even like the effect that they're using on their voice too. Aw. Oh, okay. NMIXX. Hearing that back to back from Crescendo to this, it's such an interesting vibe. The production of Crescendo was crazy. This is crazy too. It's not more simplified, but like obviously in Crescendo there was more like pauses and like when to pause and when to use effects, and I love that about Crescendo. This is more like almost nostalgic, almost in a way. They showcased a girl from the future JYP group in that MV. I thought so. I was like, that's not one of the girls was not from NMIXX. That high note was crazy. Yeah. Love them high notes, bro. They can sing. Oh, it was the girl on the bed, right? She's debuting soon. That's right. All right, y'all. Put a comments down below what you guys think of NMIXX's Crescendo and Heavy Serenade. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Keep on dreaming, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it, it might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join the Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.